Hi, I'm Bevan Yates. In this demonstration, I'll show you how to recover a Microsoft 2003 Exchange Server storage group using Attix5 Backup Professional version 5.1. I hope you find it useful. I'm running a full backup of my Exchange server every night using the Exchange 2003 plugin. I've configured the plugin to back up my first storage group. If I had multiple storage groups, they would also appear here for selection. To successfully restore my data, I have followed the steps outlined in the Attix5 Server Edition plugin manual. I'm going to use the Exchange Restore wizard found in Tools and Plugins. So with Attix5 ready for the restore, there are some steps that I need to complete on the Exchange server. Open and expand the Exchange System Manager. The first step is to configure the recovery storage group and to select the database to recover. I'm going to recover information from the mailbox database. I'm happy that I have enough disk space on my server for the restore, so I'm going to accept the defaults for the database location. Once this is complete, mount the mailbox store to make sure that there are no errors and dismount the store again. It is important now to also check that the database can be overwritten by a restore. The final step before we can begin the restore process is to delete any log files that were created for the recovery storage group when we mounted the store. I have selected to restore data from a previous backup and not from the last backup that would be available in local cache. When I select Next, the Attix5 backup client connects to the storage platform for authentication and to retrieve the list of available backups that I can restore from. I can do a full restore from any of the available backups. I'm going to select the January the 16th backup set. I'm now presented with some options about my restore. I don't need the wizard to dismount the store, but I would like to specify some options for the storage group. I would like to restore the first storage group, including the mailbox store, but not the public folders. I would also choose to mount the database after the restore. A restore summary is displayed with an option to move the temporary folders if required. Once the restore process has begun, the data is retrieved by the backup client into a temporary location before the Exchange wizard imports the database and log files into the recovery storage group database. The Attix5 Exchange Restore wizard also mounts the database. Once the database has successfully mounted, the Attix5 client reports back a successful restore. All that is left now is to select the required data from the recovery storage group, and using the Exchange Task Wizard in this case, I will recover some mailbox data and merge that data with the current live mailbox. My restore process is now complete. I hope that you found this demonstration useful. For other demonstrations, explanations and product highlights from Attix5, please go to www.attix5.com.